You know, everybody always asks me, how do I make those roses out of the strawberries? It's actually quite simple. Ready? Take a strawberry, green side down. Nice and easy so far, right? Take a nice paring knife and slice down this nice little flap. And then you're going to keep going all the way around the strawberry, doing the same thing a bunch of times. Try not to go too far because it will cut right off. Make sure you have a light hand while you're doing it. But keep going all the way around until you have one layer. And then just start on the next layer. It's a very simple thing. I'll show you one more time really quick. Let's find a nice size strawberry so you guys can see it much easier. Again, we're going to start with a flap, and we're going to work our way all the way around the strawberry. Larger strawberries are a little easier to do. It's a great looking garnish on a plate if you're doing breakfast foods. All right, guys, I hope you learned something. Have a great day.